Titch and its lava tubes. Titch is the name of a parasitic vent which appeared on the southwest side of the volcano a few days ago. And now it has its own lava tube. I can prove that by looking at a still image. I put the markings for the bend that I see here, the north fall and the exit points. And as you can see, also marked a Titch inside one of these yellow square rectangle. Then north fall, bend, exit, and Titch are all marked. We have another image from a drone while they're traveling the whole world, and that drone image also marked these markings: the bend to the left, the north fall to the right, and the downward is the exit. I'll mark them again: bend, north fall, exit, and we see the Titch is there. What we see in the Titch is also is that there are several what we call as lava tubes. The fitting into the Titch is fitting into them. That's very interesting. We have a vent which already has whatever a volcano has, including lava tubes, and it's growing bigger every day. That's the proof. I showed it to you. Titch and its lava tubes.